A list of instructions written in a programming language is called a thread. We'll create threads to perform each of the spaceship's functions. The first thread we create will initialize the speed variable. We'll create an initialization thread to set the value of our variables whenever we start the game. This way, we can always track the value of each variable from the start of the game to the finish. This helps avoid problems later when you create additional threads. To create the initialization thread, click the Code tab, then click Events, and drag the When Clicked icon to the script workspace. This is the entry point for our initialization thread. When the flag button is clicked, any instructions after the entry point will be executed in order. Now click Variables and drag the Set to 0 icon to the script workspace and attach it to the When Clicked icon. And if it's not already, click the down arrow and select the speed variable. This will set the speed variable to 0 when we start the game. So now the initialization thread is done. We'll use the initialization thread later to initialize each new variable. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.